Supply chain issues and labor shortages, two phrases we've heard a lot about lately. But our next guest is sharing a solution to these problems. Lance Olmsted with Redzone Software is here with what they're doing to help. So good to have you on Sonoran Living. So what do you think the biggest challenge is facing manufacturers today, and how can frontline workers help?
I think inflation obviously is on everyone's mind. The increased input costs are affecting everyone, not just the manufacturers, but the consumers as well. And certainly productivity is the antidote to inflation.
And how is technology helping to counter some of these issues?
Well, many people would be surprised that there's a lag in technology investments in manufacturing on the shop floor. But organizations like Redzone are bringing a massive awareness to the need. And we're working with over 1,000 manufacturers right now to connect their frontline workforce and drive massive productivity improvements as a result.
Yeah, I was on your website, and your team has thousands of years of manufacturing experience. Tell us more about Redzone.
So Redzone came together in 2013. We've been working with manufacturers since then. Our founders have a ton of experience previous to founding Redzone. Everyone in Redzone has a background in manufacturing. So we kind of know what problems we're trying to solve, and we're building the solution for the frontline teams specifically.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So give us some examples, if you can, of how manufacturers and their workers have benefited from this partnership.
So many people will be interested to know that on average, depending on the manufacturing type, a company's only about 40 to 60% productive during an hour. So that means within an hour, maybe only 40 minutes are being used or less productively. And as a consequence of that, the input costs are a lot higher, and those costs are obviously going to be transferred over to the customer. What Redzone does is connect the frontline together so they can collaborate, communicate, and solve problems in real time. The outcome of that is pretty clear. We have a benchmark report that summarizes the results every year with all of our customers, and we're seeing a 32% reduction in employee turnover, a 74% increase in engagement as a consequence of that. And really what's interesting is that's driving a 22% productivity improvement. So think of making 5 days worth of product inside of 4 days. That would certainly help keep the shelves stocked so consumers have the products that they want when they want them.
Yeah, I was telling you before we started, we all remember the nightmare, right? When the pandemic hit, we're standing in these lines. It's scary for families, to not have products on the shelf. How will a stronger domestic manufacturing industry impact our economy?
Well, I think we're certainly learning our lessons from COVID, and we're reshoring manufacturing. So that's going to reduce the delay. It's going to bring a greater resiliency to the supply chain, reduce the delay in delivering the product to the end user. But it's also going to drive more competition for the people in the plants. So manufacturers are going to have to do more to attract and retain top talent if they want to remain competitive in this marketplace.
What is the future of the manufacturing industry?
Well, I'm glad you asked. I mean, we hear a lot about automation, robotics, lights out factories. And I think we're a long way off from that. The technology is neat, it's novel, but it's very difficult to execute in real terms. So I think we're going to see a continued demand on having highly skilled, highly trained people in the factories. And I think that's, as long as we're alive, we're going to see that. I don't think we're going to a lights out factory anytime soon.
Well, we certainly hope not. Thank you so much, Lance. We appreciate you for your time. And if you want to learn more about Redzone, go to rzsoftware.com.